to tell you something.
Ano yun, Sandy?
Hero,
No, wait. Let me speak first. I also want to tell you something, Sandy. I want you to know.
Nandito lang pala kayo. Kanina ko pa kayo hinahanap. Alam niyo ba kung anong mangyayari? Hoy! Si Mel! Iba na siya! Kulot na siya!
Eh, ano naman masama kung pulot na siya?
Masama, no? Biruin mo, hindi na niya ako kilala. Ibang-iba na talaga siya. Ibang-iba na.
why? What happened to Melissa?
Eh, mukhang na-depress yata ng gusto dahil dyan kay Joseph. Kasi naman tong si Joseph, nireject siya. Kesa may mahal daw siyang iba. Kapal moks talaga, no? Kala ko pa naman magiging okay na lahat pagdating ng birthday mo. Teka, saan ka magpapatsibog, ha?
Birthday? Your birthday is coming? Let's celebrate!
Medyo marami pa kasing trabaho sa bahay. Tsaka alam niyo na, wala pa si Tita Tina, hindi pa siya umuwi. Kaya siguro magluluto na lang ako ng pansit. Punta na lang kayo doon.
Okay lang yun, pansit. Pampahaba ng buhay. O tara, Sandy, tulungan mo na ako kontakin si Mel.
Okay.
Bye, Moms!
Bye, Hero.
Bye, Sandy.
Iniiyak kita, Hero.
I want you to know, I love you, Sandy.
외롭게 하지 말아요.
I know! I'll just tell him mahal kita on his birthday. As a birthday gift. Hero?
Sandinaya, Peter. Ishi, 나는 보는 게 입시에 있네요.
돌아가!
우거나 기대기 해라서 듣사?
나 할 말 없어! 오늘 또 없을 땐 얘기하기 싫어!
괜찮더라. 그대로 생명 기대 없어요.
무슨 짓이야? 쟤들도 뭐야? 돌아가! 사이다가 필요 없어! 너 좋다는 여자랑 같이 잘 살아! 나 너보다 더 좋은 남자 만나서 잘 먹고 잘 살 거야! 나 너 필요 없어! 나는 애들 다 잊었는데 왜 돌아온 거야? 그렇게 기다릴 때 나오더니 왜 지금 온 거냐고! 그래서 네가 하는 거짓말 아무것도 안 믿어! 우리 이제 끝났어!
Sandy? Sandy? Hi, Sandy.
Hero!
Sandy, what happened? Why are you crying?
Peter is back. He's here.
paano pipigilan sa'yo
Gusto ba niyang makipagbalikan sa'yo?
He told me her parents arranged his marriage with Hanigo, but he doesn't want to marry her. He still loves me. But I don't believe him. He's a liar, Hero. He told me. I don't want to see him anymore. I'm crying because I'm very annoyed, Hero.
It's okay, Sandy. Don't cry anymore. I'm here for you. Kamu ka na lang. Tutulungan kita. Tahan na.
Okay ako. Okay ako. Video? Yeah, OMG, that's some jokes. Melissa, please. Girlfriend, you have to come and celebrate Hiro's birthday with us. I can't. I hope you understand. I don't do these things anymore. Just tell, what's his name, happy birthday for me. Let's go, girls.
Hey man, watch where you're going! Kayo na nga yung nakabangga, kayo pa yung galit. Disco, excuse mo!
이 하계가 너무 작아요. 왜 그녀를 보지 않아요?
Sandara. Sandara.
Nakita mo na? Grabe si Mel, wala na siyang nakikilala. Parang to si Hiro kahapon. Alam mo, nagkita kami. Hindi niya ako pinapansin. Yung hairdo niya nag-iba na. Eh, wala naman ang Halloween na. Ano kaya nangyari doon? May problema ba kayo?
I think you saw Peter, not Hiro.
Ano? Andito si Peter?
Yes, but let's not talk about that anymore. Let's forget problems first, okay?
Tama, kalimutan ang problema. So, anong ibibigay mong gift kay Hiro?
좋아한다고 고백하고 싶은데 아직 안 될 것 같아. 피터 아직 못 있는 걸 수도 있잖아.
Hoy! Kanang malungkot. Makakahanap rin tayo na ibibigay mo para kay Hiro.
I know what to give Hiro.
Ha?
Hoy! Oh, birthday mo.
Happy birthday, Joros. Birthday, Hiro.
Thank you, Sandy.
I give my gift later.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, wait, Sandy. We're going to hear Mass.
But I don't hear Mass. I'm not Catholic.
Sandy, here in the Philippines, it's a tradition to go to Mass to give thanks to God.
Okay, I will not burn.
Let's go.
Lord, salamat at binigyan niyo pa ako ng 1 taon. Ang birthday wish ko po, sana bumalik na si Tita Tina at mabuo ulit ang pamilya nila gaya ng dati.
Para naman pumasaya na lahat, hindi lang ako. Kasi nagigilty na po ako eh.
Kahit na ano kasing gawin ko, hindi pa rin makaramdam eh. Medyo manhid po siya, Lord. Pakitapik naman po.
Yung malakas lang po Yung parang batok pero tapik lang. Para mahimasmasan na po sa kahibangan niya.
Because I love him. That's why I'm praying to you right now to grant his prayers, okay?
Isa na lang, Lord. Sana masabi ko na mahal ko siya. At sana mahal din niya ako. Para kahit sino pang dumating at umangkin sa kanya, kaya kong ipaglaban ang nararamdaman ko para sa kanya.
You're a sweet tender lover. We are so much in love.
Happy birthday, my dear Hiro.
I'm not afraid when you're far away. Just give me a smile in your heart.
Sana magustuhan mo.
Kahit ano pa to, Roxanne, sigurado magugustuhan mo.
Showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your heart. Smile in your heart. Give me a smile in your heart.
Hi girls, bye-bye. Thank you. Sige, Biatan. Happy birthday. Sige, Mox. Bantay pa kayo sa wala. Ingat.
Mox, mauna na rin ako. Sundin ko pa si Mama sa school eh. Ikaw ikaw, Sandy.
Hero and I will go to the RRQ first.
Sandy, you're not yet tired?
Not yet, Hero. I want to show you something.
Okay, I want to tell you something too.
Oo, sige. Alis na ako, ah. Ingat kayo.
Okay, bye-bye.
Birthday
Thank
ulit.
you.
To you today in this most special way. Now I have a chance.
No? Where is Sandara? No?
Box! Errol! Hindi kita parinig. Nandito kami sa may CD Puti Sandy. Hello?
I'll take you to Wonderland.
Hero, you like our duet? This is my gift for your birthday.
Sandy, I don't know what to say.
You can say you like it.
Sandy, I like it very much. It's beautiful. You're beautiful.
Hero, I know you like me. You told me the meaning of being hero kita is you're beautiful. I know what it really means.